Hello everyone, I'm Muhammad Abdullah. I present to you my research work on article which focus on algorithms and localization technique for animal tracking. This work is carried out from of an article survey. The outline of our presentation is structured as follows. We will have an introduction which will be followed by an overall vision of everything related to algorithm and location technique. We will see the methodology that we adapted to collect articles on the internet. Then we will see the contribution that the article has as method to the literature again, and will reach and conclusion. In introduction, we can see that this work was carried out in the form of systematic literature review type article. This is an article in which we reviewed all of the algorithm and location technology that we will present in the rest of this presentation. To carry out this work, we have see our self objective, in particular our overall objective. This is to present a literature review on algorithm and technology used in animal surveillance. These are algorithms on which we rely to location and following that data. We also have a specific objective, including master the location algorithm used to locate and track animals, master location technology and technique used for livestock tracking, present a taxonomy, preview a taxonomy of tracking algorithms. Methodology, article selected strategy. To collect the master rival article on localization algorithm, we adapted a search methodology. First, we search for algorithm on the internet. The article will either be accepted or rejected. When we find an article on the internet, we carry out a search using queries and different databases. We read the title of the article only. That we ask ourselves the question in this article related to our themes. If yes, we check the language. We check the language of publication. Other view, the article is rejected. That we ask ourselves the question, it is in English? It is in English? If yes, we read this article in full order view. It is read. We ask ourselves another question, are the keyword also similar to our keyword that we defined in the search? Afterward, we ask ourselves another question, are the scientific contribution of this article still linked to our themes? After we ask ourselves another question, are the article contribute of this article still linked our theme? Other view, this article is then read. If so, it is accepted. This is a bit of how we went about select the article on internet. After that select of article, we will classify this article by the most important database. It should be noted that there are other databases that we have consulted but have only rated those which are the most important. As you can see in this table, we have the numbers of the article that we locate at, and then those that were selected and article that were definitely selected, as you can see in the table. After that, among all this article that we present in the preview table, we talk some which are more important and we consider it as our state of the art. This article have been classified in this table. 40 article we have handled the approach used by the author, that the technique used, and the scientific contribution of each article and the scientific contribution. Summary in this table. Again here. Contribution. As for the contribution, we can say that after exploring the different articles, we have identified a taxonomy of localization algorithm, and this taxonomy, it is not so visible, but we have heard this algorithm which are based on which are centralized and which are decentralized. We also have algorithm based on localization technique. In this figure, we first start with location, that we have the position system, we have objective detection, and then the algorithm used for localization, and therefore the algorithm that are used in the network structured for the centralized algorithm, and thus which are not centralized, we have produced a taxonomy of all the algorithm and technique used for localization. In this slide, we have a summary of the related work that are related to localization algorithm. Amongst these algorithms, there are DAOs that are centralized and DAOs that are decentralized. This table presents the summary of the most relevant work in relation to our theme. We have in summary 6 articles that are relevant and those that are query based and those that are no-power based. There are also those that are reference based and those that are reference point based. We also have distributed algorithm and centralized algorithm, etc. We have also our work here in the form of a taxonomy. We have localization algorithms that are centralized, those that are distributed, those that are range based, those that are range free. The location of a node is done either with algorithm based on distance or choose based on angles. Comparison are based. Here we have in this table a technique comparison of localization method which use for localization. We have a summary of the different algorithms used to localization, including triangulation, trilateration, and multilateration, which are the most used. The localization algorithm, we also EOE, TOE in GPS, etc., which uses localization. This is security in relation to location height or not, that density, that is to say that this algorithm accepted several location nodes in memory. In conclusion, we can say that this literature review has given you the hope of having a global vision of everything that is localization algorithm. The must use localization algorithm and trilateration, multilateration, and triangulation. There are other as well, but those are the reference algorithm and which other based themes to also develop other localization algorithm. Thank you for you.